epic battle.
Here we go, down the Wellington Straight. Hugh Bird, his race engineer, telling him that DRS is enabled, and this is where Charles Leclerc could be quite vulnerable, not just to Perez, but to Hamilton too.
Off of Beckett, he'll get the slipstream, and he's got the DRS. We saw the rear wing open. This is going to be very close into Stone Corner.
Yeah, Perez is catching Charles Leclerc. He takes him towards the inside. Perez on the inside. Charles Leclerc gives him just enough space. Through goes Hamilton. Unbelievable stuff coming out of the final corner.
Berhenti. Saya mau main juga.
Adit, tolongin Dit. Kasih hai. Aduh, kasih hai. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe.